1 Paul 31, Mary Paul Sam 2668. It's advised, he almost hit me with his side mirror.
You hit me versus he almost hit me. Two contradictory statements from the same officer regarding the same incident recorded less than 2 minutes apart. On May 22, 2024, Deputy Jacob Danesi initiated a cross-county pursuit not to protect public safety, but to retaliate against a citizen who bruised his ego. When the Constitution failed to provide him with a lawful reason for an arrest, he resorted to rewriting reality. Watch closely as this officer's justification for handcuffs shifts from a rude gesture to a violent assault the moment his authority is challenged. Today, we answer a critical legal question. Does raising a middle finger grant law enforcement the power to manufacture a felony charge?
For hitting me, 100%. Turn around. Turn around. Hey, you're going to make it worse. You're going to make it worse. I told you to get out of here and get off the roadway, and you chose not to. I was going to document it.
I'm going to make sure that I didn't hit you, and
You did hit me, just so we're clear.
I didn't.
And for every driver watching, did this citizen make a fatal tactical error by driving away the split second he heard the words "free to go," inadvertently handing a corrupt officer the perfect weapon to escalate force?
Look, I'm just having a talk so you don't get offended by anybody else. You are free to go. I'm just having a talk with you. And you almost hit me with your side mirror. 1 Paul 31, Mary Paul Sam 2668. It's advised, he almost hit me with his side mirror.
The encounter began on the border of Galveston and Brazoria counties. When motorist Bo drove past Deputy Danesi, he expressed his displeasure with a single digit. In response, the deputy initiated a traffic stop across county lines. To justify this extraterritorial stop, the officer must rely on the hot pursuit doctrine. But under the 2003 Texas precedent, Yeager v. State, this doctrine only applies if the officer had a lawful basis to initiate the stop in the first place. If the initial reason for the stop is invalid, the pursuit across jurisdictional lines is illegal. That legal basis hinges entirely on Texas Penal Code Section 42.01 regarding disorderly conduct. As we will see, the officer operates under the mistaken belief that a rude hand gesture is a criminal offense.
Other people can be offended. This is the reason decision stop. I don't want to ID you.
Call on me?
No, so here. No, you did it in Galveston County, so I can stop you.
You can stop me?
Yes, absolutely. You did it in Galveston County.
We'll find out. So, like, case law protects that.
Oh, you think so?
Free speech.
That's not speech.
It's free speech. It's hand gestures.
It's obscene gesture. There is case law on it. It's obscene gesture.
I'll wait here if you want to go look it up.
However, the Texas Court of Appeals in Coggin v. State established a strict constitutional standard. A middle finger is protected speech and cannot constitute a crime unless it tends to incite an immediate breach of the peace, a standard known as fighting words, which was clearly absent here. Let's break down the stop. Deputy Danesi claims that Bo cannot make obscene gestures in public. This is a fundamental misapplication of the law. In Coggin v. State, the court ruled that the middle finger, while offensive, is not criminal unless it tends to incite immediate violence. Since the deputy was safely inside his vehicle and Bo was driving away, there was no immediate threat. By detaining a citizen solely for protected expression, Deputy Danesi has already violated the First and Fourth Amendments before he even steps out of his car. But here is where the situation spirals. When told he's free to go, Bo immediately accelerates. This is a tactical failure. While legally allowed to leave, driving away abruptly while an officer is inches from your vehicle is objectively dangerous. It gives a vindictive officer exactly what he needs, a pretext. Listen to the radio dispatch immediately following the departure. The deputy clearly states, "He almost hit me." Yet, seconds later, when he forces Bo out of the car at gunpoint, the story changes. He tells Bo, "You hit me with your mirror."
I'm going to document that I told you release and that I believe it to be accident, but you did, just for other purposes. That's all it's going to be.
This fabrication is the linchpin of the arrest. Under Texas Penal Code Section 22.01, assault requires causing bodily injury or knowing offensive contact. But Deputy Danesi admits later in the video that he believes the contact was unintentional. Under Texas Penal Code Section 6.03, if the act was unintentional, it cannot be a crime unless it was reckless, a gross deviation from the standard of care. By admitting he accepts the apology and that it wasn't on purpose, the deputy effectively confesses that he detained a citizen in handcuffs for a non-existent crime based on a lie he invented to win an argument.
I'm documenting. You did. I'm saying, I guess you hit me in the mirror. Go. I'm giving you a pass. I gave you a pass. If I wanted to stop you, I would have stopped you. Go back to your car and get off the road.
I'm not trying to
go back to the car. There is no beef. Hey, I'm not mad at you. No, I'm not mad at you. I didn't ID you.
You don't ID me with just you're mad?
No, I'm not mad at you. Actually, you know what I was doing? I'm waiting for a car with a bunch of narcotics to come through town that I'm waiting on. That's all I'm doing. Man, I don't want you to get in more trouble if somebody's offended and somebody calls. It was just a reasonable stop to be like, hey, man, I don't want your ID.
It was an ego thing.
Dude, I don't care. I just work Jeep Weekend. I don't care about that. I'm just telling you.
I didn't mean to pull off so close to you. I felt like you leaned in.
I was talking to you and you took off and you hit me with your mirror. I'm not mad at you, bro. I'm not mad.
I apologize that I did not mean to hit you.
I appreciate that. I appreciate it.
I'm just not in the mood to play with your games.
Hey,
the law don't got shit on us, man. The people win. We win every time.
I'm not doing this with you. Hold on.
I'm telling you.
Hold on.
You just did it with me.
Hold on. I can reasonably stop and talk to you and let you know. Did I DI?
County lines.
Yes, I did, because you did it in Galveston County.
It's a Galveston thing. It's free speech. Go look it up.
I can turn around.
You're gonna put me under arrest?
Hey, for hitting me, 100%. Turn around. Turn around. Hey, you're gonna make it worse. You're gonna make it worse.
Dude.
I told you to get out of here and get off the roadway. You chose not to. I was going to document it.
I'm going to make sure that I didn't hit you, and
You did hit me, just so we're clear.
I didn't
you
know
can walk to the front of my car, please.
I apologize.
You are detained, sir.
This is an ego thing, I'm telling you.
It's not an ego thing. It was to protect you. Plus, you can't drive around flicking everybody off when we're in public and there's cars everywhere.
Everybody off.
There was other cars coming at you, sir. I was just trying to say other people can be offended by your gesture because it is an obscene gesture that you can get in trouble for it. It was a simple stop to be like, hey, man, if you're mad at me, like, cool. If you want to stop, turn around and be like, hey, can I talk with you? And you be upset about something, dude, I'm okay with it. I'm all about it. I'm okay with it. But when I see you can leave and you take off and hit my arm,
I honestly didn't mean that. I meant to flip you off. I was not meaning to hit you or anything. I was just leaving because I was mad that you stopped me. You said I could go, so I was leaving. I did not. I think the wind caught your sleeve, if anything, but I did not. I swear.
I want you to know, I accept your apology. And I don't think it was intentional, but you still did it. Is what the problem is.
I understand what you're saying, but I honestly,
my man, look at me. You may have a beef with cops, and are you going to listen to me? Just listen to me. I want to sit here and talk with you. I'm fixing to release you. If you're willing to calm down for me, I am more than happy to release you.
Yes, sir. I apologize.
It's okay, man. Like, I got you.
People are really upset, you know. And
I am part of the people. I just have a job that I have to do sometimes.
You line on your wedding ring, bro.
That's my wife gave it to me. What do you want me to do? I can't wear something my wife gave to me. Like, no, I don't want that.
All right. My name is Bo.
Bo, it's a pleasure to meet you again. I'm Deputy Danesi. Bro, I like these interactions. I don't like them going the way they went.
No,
I like talking to people. I enjoy having these conversations about rights and things because we've already gone through it. I'm okay with it.
We're going through it all the time, and I'm just sitting here on your county line, and I'm just like,
I am waiting for a car that's loaded.
See if you're coming to Brazoria, just to be honest.
And I can. Just so we're clear, my license says Texas Peace Officer. I can go wherever. But do I do it? No, normally. But the thing happened in Galveston County.
This is Galveston.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But hey, I will simply answer any question you'd like. I am not mad at you, but you were free to go when you came back over here. And I'm trying to add notes and clear my traffic.
I didn't want to leave after you claimed I hit you.
I'm going to document that I told you release and that I believe it to be accident, but you did. Just for other purposes. That's all it's going to be.
Okay, so when I was leaving, I see you were making a document. I didn't want to leave the accident. I'm totally willing to come back and...
Smart move. But I told you you could go.
Totally gonna come.
And I told you you could go.
I know. I totally understand.
If I wanted to, I would have gotten in the car and kept going after you.
I'm an honest man, and I'm a man of respect.
Come ask you a question. Me and you talking. By the way, again, you're free to go. I've undetained you. I just need you to calm the hell down.
Yeah.
By the way, I cleaned it because I had to work beach region. It's just the rust because I got sanded and I couldn't look. I got rust in it, so I had to oil it.
I'm
so
not upset with you.
look, man,
We're just both.
I want you to know.
Different opinions.
Yeah, but that's okay.
Yeah.
But you know where we go wrong as people? We don't have these conversations.
I would love to have them with you when you're not in your uniform.
Dude, I'll give you a straight answer. I don't care if I'm in uniform. I'll give you a straight answer. These are okay to have our conversation, man. I don't care if I'm in it or out of it. I tell people all the time, I don't care.
Yeah.
I was in the military. There's laws that I don't agree with sometimes.
Victimless crimes, right?
Right.
So
there's a reason I didn't ID you.
We can, well, because
Listen,
we
hold on.
go that
I can stop you.
Yeah.
But I didn't ID you, nor did I even ask you for it. I didn't even ask your name when you were over here because I don't want it.
No, that's fine.
I'm trying to let you know whatever you're mad about, don't get yourself in trouble by offending somebody else that is out here in public that's driving by. That's all it was. Hey, that was gonna be my cup spill.
Any of these cars.
You can't. But if you offend somebody, then you're going to get in trouble.
You cannot get in trouble.
It's obscene gestures.
Offensive speech cannot be made.
Obscene gestures. It's the same thing. Just like if you cuss, obscene gesture language.
Until someone stops and you arrest me for it.
I don't want to do that. That's the whole reason I'm stepping out with you, my man.
Right now, I'm in agreement.
Let me ask you a question. What makes you get to this point where this is the conversation and that you're trying to incite something that I get that you want to know?
Our government has gone way, way, way off.
Sometimes I can agree with that, yes.
The debt is so high that
But that has nothing to do with me.
It does have everything to do with you. The debt is so high, y'all have to enforce traffic revenue.
I don't even write tickets, my man. I'm the least ticket writer.
I don't want to pull all your information.
I am the least ticket writer in this whole county, my man.
I don't want to do any TPS on all of your stuff.
I don't care, man. I'm open.
He knows me.
I almost rear into that car.
Last year. Yeah, I apologize.
It's okay.
And that thing's your backup.
Oh, I just told him I was stepping out with you.
So it's the DA, right? We were going through this, and I get stopped for not using a blinker 100 feet.
That shouldn't be a violation, or it shouldn't be a ticket. It's a violation of the traffic code. I'll stop
before he comes up.
No, he's fine. This is my traffic stop.
Yeah,
you were not in trouble. I want to be clear. You were not in trouble. I'm going to document it happened, but you came back and apologized that it was unintentional, and I will put it in here. That's fine, dude.
I understand. I don't want to go to jail. I'm trying to look at my kids to the park.
That is fine. But listen to me. I want you to spend the day with your kids. That's not what I want for you. But we are not going to go through all that. I just wanted to talk with you and have a genuine person-to-person conversation. I'm not mad at you.
No,
but we
I
can't
don't know who you are in there. I just see sheriff. That's it. I see government.
Next time, if take a deep breath, I will literally stop and have a million conversations and talk to you. Just deep breath next time.
Yeah. No, I understand.
Deputy Alvarez, this is Bo. I don't know his last name, nor do I care. Bo, go to the park and get out of here. We good?
Yes.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you. Take care.
Deputy Jacob Danesi earns an F. His conduct was a masterclass in police misconduct. He initiated an unconstitutional traffic stop based on protected speech, violating the First Amendment. Worse, when his legal authority evaporated, he fabricated a narrative of physical assault, changing his story from almost hit to justify an unlawful arrest. A badge is a symbol of public trust, not a license to retaliate against citizens who hurt your feelings. Bo earns a B-. He was legally correct, the stop was unlawful, and he maintained his composure under threat of arrest. However, his departure was tactically catastrophic. By driving away aggressively while the officer was within arm's reach, he created an objective safety hazard that a vindictive officer could and did exploit to escalate the encounter. The actionable takeaway: being right on the law is not enough if you are wrong on tactics. If an officer dismisses you, leave, but do so slowly, deliberately, and safely. Do not give a tyrant in a uniform the physical excuse they're begging for to put you in a cage.